It's swim season! So swimwear to me is a very unique genre of clothing because swimwear, I don't really actually wear it to go swimming. I just wear it so that way I can just frolic around the pool, dip my feet in a little bit, and that's about it. I often make the excuse that I buy swimwear just so that I can take Instagram pictures in them. However, whenever I wear swimwear, I never take Instagram pictures because since I do not showcase my swimwear collection on Instagram via photo, why not show the rest of the world on YouTube via video my swimwear collection? This is my swimwear collection. I had to take it out of my drawer. If you happen to be the resident local pedophile, although I am not underaged, please fuck off. Or actually just watch the ads and then fuck off. Thanks. So the first one's pretty cute. It's like a lime colored swimsuit, very basic, very me. This is the swimsuit with shorts on, and you can't get more summer than that. And that is my swim collection. So for all of you girlies who are looking for swimwear inspo, I hope you found some here. Yeah, hope this helped. Love you, bye.